All right, here we come to the elevators at the South Bank building in downtown Durham, North Carolina. Look at that up button, it's completely vandalized. These are Otis Lexan from 1973. B. Whoa, these are fast. All right, let's go to 7. Look at that view out there. Good picture of these fixtures. I can only open it up. There, now I got a good still picture of these buttons. Love the relays. This thing is kind of dark. I'm gonna send this on away and get the other car. Look at that ashtray. And here's the right car. 7. Now this one's kind of a little brighter. Yeah, it is a little brighter than the other one. All right, now we'll go on to one end there. Listen to the relay. I forgot to take a look at the phone earlier. Sorry about that. Love these fixtures. Are you going up?
Go ahead.
Oh, okay, I just came off. There it goes. Look at that. Edwards 270 SPO. Wow, that is way high up. All right, and that's it.